Yo, what's up guys? Today we're gonna be installing the lip and rear lip on my car. I got the Euro R and Aspec lip for. Okay, so it's Euro R on the front and Aspec on the rears. I couldn't get side skirts because, you know, your boy kind of cheap and eBay wasn't selling any of those rep side skirts except for the Aspec. And honestly, the side skirts don't really make a difference. I'll put the chart. Jeez, that's loud. Another thing is, I was on the highway today. I saw Evo 8 in the BRZ. That shit was so dope and made my day. I'm gonna eat something first, go grab some hardware at Home Depot, then we'll be at Brier's house to install the lip kit. Fronts actually came with some hardware. Actually came with a lot. I don't know if I need to use all of these or only just 4. Also picked up some mounting tape. Holds up to 30 pounds. I don't know what the difference. There's a 15-pound one that was like $1 less. I guess it's the amount of weight it can hold, but hey, this will do the job. Here's my lip and the Aspec rear. Just gotta fit that into my car somehow, but I'm sure it will work. Alright, we have everything in the car. Hopefully nothing does not get messed up because this is kind of bent at an angle, but I'm sure this is like flexible material, so it should be good. It's just this thing I'm worried about. It's like really stiff. This one's flexible, it's okay. That's everything there. See you guys when we head back to Brier's house. Oh my god, this is just crazy. What the hell? What's up, fam? Jeez. Oh shit, that Rashi Banner does look pretty dope. Just got some full gas, let's go. Alright guys, he wants to go lower on this car. Let me know.
What is that guy doing?
I don't know, his car was messed up though. Alright bro, show him how low you want your car to be, like finger wise.
Underneath. I want it to like sit like right here, bro.
No, fuck, bro. If you do that, you will not be able to get out your driveway or drive here at all.
I'm just gonna send it. What's he doing? And there's a cat just laying on my car. I was this close to killing it. I didn't kill it though. I just scared it off.
We're against animal cruelty.
But it's so dirty. Like, it's been raining like forever. My rims are dirty.
Bro, I need some tire shine or something, man.
Yeah.
I have some at the crib.
What kind of tires are these?
These are STRs. The rims are STRs. I don't know what they're called.
Wait, why aren't we just jacking up from the front? It could fit.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure it could fit. Cause we're gonna put on jack stands, so it'll be good.
The frontal jack stands?
Yeah. Keep on going, bro. Keep on going. I'll let you know. Hey, Brian, can you go to the other side and put the jack on that side?
Yeah, where are you putting on?
You should see where. It's like it'll look like a bracket, bro.
Right here?
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Really slow.
Yeah.
No, my black car, I used to slam it all over. I didn't
Oh
care.
my, you're
my
crazy.
My S14, I just. Alright.
Let's go.
Wait, what's this?
Bro, I don't even know, dude. I swear, I don't even know what happened to
Was
this
your
car.
car in a red?
Yeah.
Probably.
This is not.
Did you buy it?
This is a brand new bumper. This is a
Oh, that's
brand new.
probably why. This is all orange peel right here. I can see it.
Yeah. Other side though.
The other side didn't have one, does it?
Yeah, it does.
It's already out.
It did. What the hell? Hold on, man.
not one in
You
there.
telling me my bumper would hold on by one screw?
There's none on
What the hell,
I'm
dude?
pretty sure it's just for this.
Jank, bro. Yeah, it is just for this.
Alright. Let's get her on.
We'll just bring it back when we got the lip on.
What's that?
Yeah.
It looks sexy though.
Yeah, it just goes in perfect.
But I just need wheels.
Yeah, man. I'm saving up for some wheels.
Bro,
Amazing.
you need like stance wheels, not like 370, bro. You need like
three
he
piece.
dipped it.
That's what people have been telling me, bro.
You need to get black wheels.
They want me to get like 3-piece wheels, $2,000 3-piece wheels.
That's what
bro.
you need, bro. Hey, just trade the car for them.
on the bottom?
Just kidding.
Huh?
You think there was any holes?
Well, when I saw people, nah.
No?
There's, good look, bro.
Just those two?
If water gets in here, where that shit gonna go? We drill it in. You know what I mean? So it's all good. This is the Gorilla Tape. We'll keep it still. Jesus. Bolted on and everything. Shout out to my man Brian. Thank you, bro.
Brier.
And Brier.
Why'd you say Brian, bro?
That's your name, right?
No, Brier.
No.
It's David.
Man.
Dude.
Oh no, he looks like a Brian. Okay, shout out to David. Thank you, Brian, for letting me use your garage, bro.
You gonna edit that?
I'll edit that, dude.
Bro, put at Brian.
Just because I said edit it.
Wait, who just picked that man up? Did he just get kidnapped?
Bro, he probably did.
It's an all black car.
Oh, you're with that dude now? All right. Check this out. There's no going back.
Dang, that's like right there. It's right there. Are you getting back in? Keep it going, you're good. Straight on through. Woo!
Oh, Jesus.
goes.
Wait, is this pop down?
Yeah.
No,
Hold
it
on.
didn't.
I heard something pop, bro.
No, you hit the jack. That was the jack. That was the jack that fell off.
Oh, yeah, it was just...
David, you pulled
No,
it, it
that
fell
was
off.
it. It popped
It was
out.
it? It popped?
No, it didn't.
Yeah, it did, dude. Look right here.
Yeah, it sagged back down.
Or another screw.
Here, hold that.
There's a nut in here, trust me.
Oh, nut.
I see one, it's right here.
Oh, he'll bump out there. I was just saying,
Before the storm. Oh, this is Dave, bro. This is how that tall this is.
why don't you take the bar off? It's good.
Make sure there's no nails.
No, you good.
Whoa! Why is it coming forward?
Let's go, baby.
That was looking
Why
scary.
did you do that?
I don't know. That was pretty scary, bro.
Bro, your legs were like shaking.
The whole jack started rolling forward. I'm like, no.
Here is the lip kit. That shit's fire.
The back, boo boo.
Yeah.
Right now,
I'm gonna just get it painted soon, and whoever like mounts it on
let
me.
them figure it out.
Yeah, let's do it better. For
Not
me.
us. I mean, it's not bad. It's just this gap right here.
Okay, no. Okay, this side's perfect, right?
The side's fine. It's
This side is like, Jesus. Like I scratch my paint. It's okay though. It's a lifestyle, baby.
yeah, it's all part of life. It's all part of the game of having a cool car. Came in that bumper. I'll tell you that right now.
No, bro, that shit looks sexy from far
It's
away.
sexy, but like, it could be sexy.
All right, we'll be back. We're gonna get a car wash and go eat at McDonald's. Here's the full lip kit in the sun.
Oh my god.
Looking very nice. Looking perfect.
Oh my god, he on X Games mode.
Oh my god, Ronnie.
Oh god, take it off, walk it, hype beast. Yo, nigga say hey, wanna fight be?
Too bad I can't clean my
Never been, bro.
What,
I've
clean
never
it?
seen it this
Wait,
clean.
when's the last time you cleaned it?
Like 2 weeks ago.
That's not that
But
bad.
I didn't clean it like this.
Bro,
just,
I don't clean my car in months.
I just use soap.
Oh shit, I didn't know I had a blue. It's like bubble gum, dude.
That's so.
Yo, this smells
Bro,
good. Yo,
1,000 likes,
a
I'll lick it, bro.
Take a lick, take a lick. Nah,
Like Jehovah Witness, I'm too console, I'm a spread a witness. Fresher than a
okay,
new one with the riches.
okay,
Judges really
okay.
thought they know their stitches.
Food. I guess we all got the same thing, huh?
Yeah, we did.
Bro, shout out to my
Dude,
man
cinematic.
Brian for putting me on. Destroyed. Kind of destroyed. Damn, you were hungry, bro. Oh, no. Oh, okay. Yeah, you slammed the shit out.
I gotta put on all my yeah. Don't fill out. I'll go really slow.
This guy right here. Hold on, you're 17. That's illegal.
No, this point is. Yeah.
He's 27, dude.
Savage.
That's a pull up, bro. That is not a pull up.
I can't. This stupid thing.
That's a no, dude. No, you do not need that.
This is not bad.
What's up, guys? We're back, and he's gonna teach us how to drive manual. I drove a manual car before. It was a Honda. It's my uncle's car. It's the one in front of my house you'll be seeing in the videos. I also went to Home Depot to pick up some more hardware for the back bumper. It's held on by like self-tapping screws, but even though it should stay on there longer, I bought extra screws with like nuts on top and washers, so we'll just like secure it with that. Plus it's like hanging down a bit. It's not on the muffler, but I would want it to be up more. Yeah, I'll put it back to you guys when it's my turn to drive.
Oh shit, that's badass.
All right, bro.
All right. So first of all, this is a 5-speed.
Okay.
Put your clutch in. Clutch in. First, second, third, fourth, fifth.
Okay.
But you're gonna only stay in. We're gonna only go in the second today, okay?
All right.
All right. Slowly.
Fuck off, dude.
I know. Give it gas.
All right.
Give it about like.
How many RPMs?
That doesn't work. Okay. Give it a little bit of gas.
Bro, you
A
have
little
to
more.
like.
Okay, you need about like that much.
That much?
A little bit more. Not that much. And then slowly. And if you over rev it, let off the gas. It's not worth launching, especially if you're like.
How do you put this down?
Lift it up. There you go.
Oh, that sounds weird.
All right, now put it first. Clutch in.
Yeah, clutch is in right now.
Okay, put it first. All right, give some gas. More. All right, slowly off the clutch. Slowly. Okay. All right, avoid the speed bumps. We're not. Those are aids. Okay, let off the gas completely. Okay. Hey, that was good.
Let's go. Backward?
Yeah, when you're already going, you don't have to hit the clutch again. Like if you left the gas, don't worry about hitting the clutch if you're
All right.
rolling.
Yeah, because we're pretty much.
All right, stop. We're gonna practice.
Okay. What do I do when I stop?
Okay, put the clutch in and put in neutral and hit the brake. Never, and when you park, never leave it in gear. You will fly right into it, and you let off the clutch. You will fly into the whatever. Okay, so clutch in. Oh yeah, let me turn this on.
Hell yeah, bro.
All right,
Okay.
clutch in.
All right.
First gear. Just give it gas. More. Now let off the clutch. Okay, that was a little too much. Okay, too much. You let off the
bad,
clutch.
bro, my bad.
No, you're fine. You let the. Okay, stop. Let's try that again. You let off the clutch way too fast. Slower. You don't have to put in neutral if you don't want. It's really if you want to hold the clutch or not. All
Okay,
right,
so
clutch
in.
First gear. Give it gas. Gas more. Let off slowly. Stop. Okay, brake. Oh, okay, that wasn't bad.
Nah.
That was bad at
That was
first, but
rusty,
you
bro.
got it.
Kind of caught it.
All right, go that way. Try second. Stay away from. Oh, fuck. You
Did I let go too fast?
Yeah, you're letting off the clutch way too fast.
Okay. All right, guys. I am now in the garage, as you can tell. Check out the Rashi banner right there. Yeah, I got my little weight training over here. But here is the lip. Okay, as you can see, fits on perfect. Well, it doesn't look perfect now, but if I have Gorilla Tape on here, it will stick on like.
Pull up S13 and pop my hood and let my trunk thump. Riding through the hood, I bump the thump from trunk will shake you up. Pull up to the party spark. The girl see me and save a spot. She know I know what I want. She wondering if she the